How to fix Roblox Error Code 277. Now in this quick video I'm going to show you couples of ways for you to fix Error Code 277 on Roblox. Now Error Code 277 is actually indicating a lost connection to the server, often caused by unstable internet or router issues or corrupted app files, depending on where you're playing the game. But you're most concerned of, or the main thing that you want to have to focus on, is your internet connection. So all I have to do is to disconnect your physical router from the power outlet, and once you plug it back in, you simply run a smooth speed test on your browser by just typing in speed test and then choose on run speed test. Now if you are given a decent amount of results, then all you have to do is to relaunch and restart your Roblox software or application. So those are the things that you can do for you to fix Roblox error code 277.